Health Central Foundation. Sailing through the years. West Orange Memorial Hospital opened its doors in 1952. In response to burgeoning growth and an ever-increasingly urgent need for critical care health services in the area. Through the years, that little country hospital has evolved into Health Central, a state-of-the-art medical facility dedicated to serving the residents of West Orange County. In large part, the momentous success and growth of Health Central Hospital can be linked to the activities of its supporting foundation.
Health Central Foundation exists to be able to support Health Central in getting the latest and greatest technology to provide the best possible care to our citizens.
The foundation is designed and focused, like a laser, on creating the capital assets that will bring world-class health care to West Orange County.
So in addition to raising funds, we spend a lot of time talking to the community about Health Central, educating them on the history of the hospital and what is available here today, what sets us apart from other hospitals.
One project that truly sets the foundation apart is our school nurse program.
For many students, this is their only interaction with a healthcare provider of any kind. And we know that there are psychological issues, social issues that we need to be there for our children to help them get through.
The cath lab was an essential project from the standpoint of safety of life, really and truly. When you have a cardiac event, the time between the event and you arriving at a hospital that has the ability to do a cardiac catheterization is the difference between life and death.
That's why in 2009, the foundation raised funds to help equip a new interventional cardiac catheterization lab. When the foundation isn't helping provide life-saving equipment, they're finding new ways to enhance the Health Central experience, like the Cuddles Infant Protection System. Cuddles ensures that every precaution is taken to provide your child a safe and secure stay while at Health Central.
I am a breast cancer survivor, and I would love to find a cure for breast cancer. But in the meantime, digital mammography is the key.
My mother was diagnosed with breast cancer when she was 87 years old, so I know how important early detection can be.
We're currently raising funds to acquire a digital mammography imaging system at Health Central. This digital imaging equipment will allow for earlier cancer detection, more accurate diagnoses, and significantly less radiation exposure to patients.
What the digital mammography technique lets us do is often find these areas of the breast that are going to develop into a malignancy later when they're still in the very early stages. And we're able to remove those lesions so that they haven't had a chance to develop yet into cancer. Thus, the prognosis is much better, that the woman will not have to experience metastases and other complications of the malignancy. And in fact, it allows us to have a much greater chance of a cure.
Early detection with digital mammography saves lives.
Technology never slows, nor does your foundation. That's why we're raising money to bring the renowned Da Vinci robotic surgical system to Health Central.
We must have this technology here at Health Central in order to stay ahead of the curve and be able to provide the state-of-the-art surgery for our patients.
Da Vinci offers the surgeon superior 3D visualization, along with greatly enhanced dexterity, precision, and control.
We are able to perform these procedures with small incisions. The patient has less hospital time. Frequently, these procedures are done outpatient. They go home the same day, if not just overnight. Because of the small incisions, they're able to return back to work in a quicker time. Their pain is less, we have less blood loss, and as a whole, the patients are much happier. They spend less time out of work. They're able to go back and be productive not only in work or at home. So we're really reducing their hospital time and basically their aggravation to surgery.
I was in a lot of pain, and the thought of having major surgery scared me to death. So we had to look at all the options. The Thank God my doctor recommended the Da Vinci surgery. It's changed my life.
Since 1981, the Health Central Foundation has provided state-of-the-art medical equipment and brought cutting-edge technology to the residents of West Orange County.
Your donation allows us to bring vital new technologies to Health Central, such as digital mammography and the Da Vinci surgical robot. These items are vital to success in improving the care that we give to you and to your family.
And I hope that you will consider joining us in supporting Health Central.
I'm very pleased and proud of what the hospital's doing right now. And I think the future for it is tremendous.
This is not a corporate endeavor. This is people taking care of other people.
It is so important to give to the Health Central Foundation because they are truly helping to save lives.
There's never been a better time to give.
And we need your help.
It doesn't matter how much you give, it matters that you give.
If you're in this community, this is the program you need to support.
I like to encourage people to give and give as generously as they can.
This is life and death, and that's why it is so important to give to the Health Central Foundation.